Hey coffee lovers, meet the Famiworths upgraded hot and iced coffee maker designed for K-cups and ground coffee. With a 30-ounce removable water reservoir and multiple cup sizes from 6 to 24 ounces, this machine brews hot or iced coffee at the touch of a button. Use the strong setting for a bolder flavor or the over ice button to enjoy fresh, non-watery iced coffee brewed directly on ice. It heats up in just 90 seconds and fits mugs up to 6.5 inches tall, plus it remembers your last cup size for convenience. The built-in descale reminder and dishwasher safe parts make cleaning easy, and safety features prevent operation without enough water or a properly closed lid. Whether you prefer your coffee hot or iced, this versatile brewer delivers rich flavor every time. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.